The Nokia company was founded in 1865 in Finland, and was not originally a mobile phone manufacturer. Instead, it was a pulp milling company, which later changed to a rubber company. And it was only in early 1981 that Nokia managed to launch a product called Nordic Mobile Telephony (NMT). Nokia is the brand we hear for the first time about a mobile phone on the market, serving all segments of society by providing mobile phones at different prices for more than a decade, making it a giant company that was able to acquire Motorola. So it's hard to believe that Nokia failed. So what made Nokia fail? In October 1998, Nokia is the brand with the most sales of mobile phones. Nokia's profits increased dramatically from $1 billion in 1995 to nearly $4 billion in 1999. The first best-selling mobile phone was the Nokia 1100. This handheld device sold more than 250 million units from its first release in 2003 until it was discontinued in 2009. When Apple appeared in 2007 and the end of 2007, half of the smartphones sold in the world belonged to Nokia, while Apple's iPhone had only 5% of the global market share. In 2010, Nokia released a cell phone to compete with the iPhone, but failed to compete. And the quality of Nokia's high-end phones continues to decline. In just 6 years, Nokia's market value has fallen by about 90%. Nokia's decline accelerated in 2011 and was acquired by Microsoft in 2013. Here are several reasons why Nokia failed. The resistance against smartphone evolution. Nokia cannot take advantage of the emergence of Android technology. When many mobile phone manufacturers are competing to improve and work on their smartphones, Nokia remains stubborn. At that time, Samsung immediately launched their latest mobile phones based on Android, which were more cost-effective and user-friendly. Nokia's management seems to have the belief that people are not interested in touchscreen phones, and they stubbornly continue to use their phones with QWERTY keypads. Nokia does not consider Android as a technological advancement and does not want to adopt Android technology into its mobile phones. After they realized the market trend, Nokia just released its Symbian operating system. And of course, Apple and Samsung already have a strong position in the market. This is the biggest reason why Nokia failed. Nokia sold his company to Microsoft at a time when the software giant was in full swing. This acquisition also did not produce results for both parties. Bad marketing strategy. Apple uses the umbrella branding model with the iPhone at the top. Samsung is the same way, with the launch of the Samsung Galaxy series, which every year always launches new products to support the umbrella branding model. But Nokia failed to take that opportunity. In addition, the company is inefficient in its sales and distribution methods. It also played an important role in Nokia's failure to compete. An industry that is too slow to move. Nokia never keeps up with technological changes. Nokia is always famous for its hardware and doesn't care about software developments. Too confident in his strength. As a mobile phone brand that has lasted more than a decade, this made Nokia believe that people would still choose their products, but unfortunately this did not work out as expected. While Apple and Samsung came with new phones every year, Nokia was only able to launch Windows phones with basic features, even when 4G technology emerged. Nokia does not yet have a mobile phone with 3G features. This proves that the lack of innovation development and unawareness of technological developments. Though Nokia had a great opportunity at the time, with the brand having reigned for more than a decade.
What you can learn from the failure of the Nokia company.
1. Do not ignore key markets. 2. Marketing is as important as your product. 3. Ensure all of your departments work in alignment. 4. Manage your company's resources. 5. Focus on hiring the most qualified people. What does Nokia mean? Nokia is the name of a river in Finland. See you on the next video.